the no weld barrel stove. Build it yourself with nothing but a drill and an angle grinder and spare parts and bolts and this and that and a little bit of love. It'll all go together easy. First thing is the flue is 6 inches, and the whole stove's been treated in high temp stove black enamel. The door is cut off another barrel so that it matches perfectly, and no leaks, nothing. Awesome, awesome stove. Let's go into it a little bit. I'll break it down. Let me take this stovepipe off. It's just for a demo. There's my 6-inch flue, recycled part. Holes simply been cut through the top with an angle grinder. See my angle grinder, how to cut a round hole with an angle grinder video. Not as hard as you think. And this is thick steel plate. This is a good surface. This will stay ready to heat a long time. Good surface to cook on. You can heat up a cup of coffee or put a nice pasty on there. Heat her up at camp. And then you can see there's almost no crack here. I could not fit a piece of paper in this crack. This is so tight. Just because I cut it off another identical stove, or a barrel, I mean. Open up my door. And my under fire control, simply pieces of black pipe put together and all thread. There's a close, open, close, open. It's that simple. The stove door opening is of course cut smaller than the door, which is why you want to cut this off another tank. Ideal. Now when I flip this and show you the bottom, I hardly ever show the bottom of stoves in the videos, and I'll show you how I did this for the legs real quick. And here we are. So it's 3 pieces of used unistrut bolted in through the bottom for legs. Lasts a lifetime, and I did paint the bottom this with stove black just to help protect it from corrosion. What a great little stove that'll make. Wow. I'm not going to go into too much of the ifs and whens with this. You can see my other stove making videos. I'm going to head this channel another direction and make some other really cool stuff, and we'll see where that takes us. Take care, and thanks for subscribing.